beautiful people. A great welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome and thanks for being here and hitting that like, subscribe, and share buttons. I really appreciate you. On this channel, I share restoration gems, which can help you improve the quality of your life, personally and professionally, change your mindset, build your confidence, and enhance your spirituality so you become the best version of yourself. Live purposeful and authentic. Today I am so excited because I have really good restoration gems to share with you. So let's get right into this video. This is the season for your restoration. Hallelujah.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. As usual, it is a privilege to come to you once more with nutritional information for we need to take care of our bodies. It is part of God's restoration plan. This afternoon, I want to talk about supplements for women. Now, eating a well-balanced diet is hard to do. Let these supplements help you reach your goal. You may be trying to eat healthy. You follow a plant-based diet and try to follow every daily recommendation as possible. But eating healthy is hard to do. To help fill the void, consider adding a supplement to your diet. Here are a few supplements that will be good for you. The first one I want to talk about is calcium. It's true when they say that milk does a body good. On a mission to keep bones and teeth strong, calcium is beneficial, in particular for postmenopausal women when they are at risk for bone loss and osteoporosis. Best food sources for calcium are milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent source of calcium. But if dairy doesn't agree with you, other food sources include spinach, kale, okra, collard greens, soya beans, and white beans. Number 2, vitamin D. Commonly known to aid the body's absorption of calcium in order to build strong bones. Low levels of this vitamin has been linked to depression, heart disease, and diabetes. Thankfully, recent study now suggests that vitamin D is great for overall body health. Best food sources for vitamin D. We all know to get our daily dose of vitamin D through sunlight, but that's not always possible. As an alternative, load up on foods like fish, like salmon, trout, tuna, mushrooms, milk, and fortified OJs. Another important supplement for women is iron. And every month, women lose iron from their body through menstrual periods. Therefore, it's imperative to replace what is lost. It's essential for cell growth. Iron helps your body produce red blood cells, support a strong immune system, and maintain cognitive development. Best food sources for iron are mostly meat sources like lean red meat, chicken, turkey. They're all good for iron. But you can also eat liver, oysters, chickpeas, pumpkin seeds, and lentils as an alternative. Another good supplement for women is magnesium. Do you find yourself struggling with PMS, migraines, irritability, painful cramps? You may want to try adding more magnesium to your diet. Best food sources are red leafy greens are the top big winner for this category, but you can also pick up things like bananas, dark chocolate, nuts, seeds, and soya beans. And my last supplement I want to talk about is vitamin A. Daily doses of this vitamin help keeps your eyes and vision sharp. It also helps your immune system to work smoothly and help your body to fight disease. Thank you for listening. I hope you have gained some value from this short video. Bye for now.